live in the coming 2025. Our channel will have this kind of live in every week of Tuesday and Thursday at 4:30 p.m. West America time, and Chinese time every Wednesday and Friday at morning 8:30 a.m. So welcome you, follow us, and watch our live. Today, I would like to talk about the maintenance of seamless digital printer. I know that most of you are now having your vacations, maybe along the beach, maybe go for skiing. Lots of fun there. But before you start your vacation, have you done properly for the maintenance for your digital printer? So, do you know that how important of this maintenance for the seamless digital printer? Maintenance is very important actually. Firstly, it can reduce the mechanical wear. You know that inside of the printer, there are so many precise mechanical components. And then with these components, like the moving device of the print head and also the conveyor system, like this reel and this part, it will be very important to keep it running well. So, to reduce its being damaged and due to this excessive friction, then you have to do the maintenance in proper way. So, cleaning inside of the printer, the dust in regular time, and also do some regular lubricating by using this kind of lubricator, you see, for this one. So these are necessary for using at these mechanical parts for this printer. And like here, so you need to do some cleaning after the working is finished at this part by using the non-woven fabric. And also here, the ink station. So keep it clean and neat. Wow, our customer, oh, Ben, welcome you. Welcome to subscribe us. Okay, so this is the maintenance for reducing the mechanical wear. And secondly, for good maintenance, it also helps to improve the quality of the printing. So you know that it is important that the print head needs to be with the good condition. And under good condition, you can get the good quality of the print image. Like this one, in very precise and shows every details of the image. You see the snowflake there, it is clean shape and sharp. So it is very precise. And also with the logos there, you can see the letters clearly. So with very tiny, small details, you also can see it very clearly. It is based on the good condition of the print head status. So it means that the print head, the nozzles, it is strong working. And once it's sprayed to the material of what you're gonna to print, then it is just goes strongly to spray on it. So with this good condition, you need to clean the print head also very often. And once you have the blur printing effect, or you found some printing image have the stripe on it, or you have the color deviation from one piece to another piece of the sock, then you should think about if the print head has problem or not. So once the print head is clogged for even part of the nozzles, and then it will impact the print quality. To clean the print head, you can see here it's the ink station, and with the heads setting up here, it is normally should be closed tightly with the caping. You see, this is the caping. So normally, during it is unworking of the print head, you need to be sure that the print head will touch this caping so tightly and keep the head wet. And once you wanted to clean it, you just can first buy the software to clean the head, or manually you just lower the station. You see, by lower this station, the caping is loading lower position to remove from the head. And after the head is with the safe security situation, then you can just manually move this cartridge out slowly. And in the meantime, you have to be sure that this center motor drive is in proper way. It could not be under this position with the rollers standing here to stop that cartridge moving out. But what you need to do is just manually move this roller, turn it a little bit backwards or forwards. It just depends on you. And all these kind of actions needs to be sure that the power is off. So under the circumstance that the power is off, you can just manually to move these devices. So once you are sure the cartridge is moving freely, then you just move it out. You see, very slowly and gentle to avoid any damage for this print head. Okay, so now the print head is out. Then you can see here, you see the print head surface, it has stained some color, some ink, and using the non-woven fabric, you can see the surface of the print head here. You need to use the non-woven fabric, gently wipe the surface, and the other print head the same. So use the non-woven fabric, gently just wipe this surface of the print head gently. And after this is done, back to the cartridge, to the ink station again. And then ensure at this time the print head is just gets the proper way along with this caping. So once it's back to the correct position, you just upper load this caping and slide the caping back to the print head and touch it. So let's close this print head with the caping. And they need to close tightly. So ensure it closes tightly. Every break during working, you need to be sure this caping and the print head will be closed tightly like this. And under this circumstance, then you can do the clean head by using the software. So under daily using, that once you have any break during working for even 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and once you back from the break, you need to do this cleaning by controlling the software. So you just using the software and click clean. Then the cleaning will automatically start it. So after one time cleaning, you can keep continuously working by the printing job. And once if you have any break for 2 days, 3 days during the weekend, or like now, you're having the White Christmas holiday, then maybe you have 10 days break or 15 days holiday. Then during this time, you need to be sure, first, the print head close tightly with the keeping, and also ensure this environment of this printer stayed in the good humidity. So the humidity needs around 40 to 60%, and 70% no problem also. And in another hand, the temperature requests that the printer stays in the environment under the temperature with 25 degrees to 28 degrees. So with these kind of two parts of this condition for the printer, then you can just leave for your holiday. And in addition, if the humidity is a little bit lower, so the air is dry a little bit, then you can consider to just give a few drops of this keeping some water, and this will be the pure water. So with the pure water, you just drop it a few drops and ensure the surface of the keeping with the head is always keeping wet. It will be no problem. So once you're back from the holiday, you just, like what I did just now, try to clean the surface of the print head by using the non-woven fabric. You can just move it out of the cartridge firstly and wipe the head gently. And after that, go back for this print head station and try to clean it by using the software. And after that, you can test with the print head status by clicking the software of check. And you can see after cleaning here, this CMYK 4 colors, the print head status needs to be good. And these lines needs to be aligned and continuously connected to each other. And here, actually, it's good. And if your print head status is showing like this, it will be no big problem. You can just do the printing normally. But if your print head have this kind of broken lines, then it will be problem. So under this circumstance, you still need to keep doing the cleaning of the print head until it is coming like this. Otherwise, it will impact the printing quality or resulting in the printing blurred or just the blurry of the printing image or the lack of the ink, and you get the fading color of the printing image. So let's see what kind of problem you will get. Sometimes, once the print head is under no good condition, you may get this color like blurred, like this. And once it is lack of the ink is not enough, and then you might get the image like this color. You see this yellow color, actually it seems like fading, right? It is not pump out. And also at the ground color, you could see it's visually like stripes. Can you see the stripes? Tell me. If you can see the stripes from the camera here we showed you, just let me know. Yeah, someone can see that, right? Yes. So the correct image should be this. We can compare. So, and now you have a clue, right? This color should be the correct color. And this one, it is not the normal one. From the ground color, first this is black. And here, it's just grayish. And yellow is bright. And here, yellow is pale. And also, I can see the stripes here at the background. And while this one, the ground color is purely black. So this kind of image, once you get, you need to doubt if the print head is under good condition or not. For sure, this one is under not good condition. So you need to check the head status. And that caused maybe the bad maintenance you did. So the second importance for the maintenance is to keep the good quality of the print image. Once it is not, it gets worse quality here. And thirdly, the good maintenance will impact the efficiency or the failure rate during production. So you know that very small items, it caused by the gradual accumulation. And with small problems day by day, it just stayed there and then caused the big problems later. So once it is big problem, then it will get the failure rates more often, and then it will impact your efficiency for the production. Once the small problem, you still can keep running with this printer for the printing job. But once it is big problem, you have to stop it because it's not used for printing. Otherwise, you will get this kind of bad quality of the sock, or you cannot run it. So that's why the good maintenance, it's very necessary during your daily using. So, like here, actually, this part is for daily maintenance, also very necessary because it is sprayed every day and with the ink. So after job, you can use a fabric. Just wipe it, these areas gently, and to keep this area clean. And then, once you move out this cartridge, you first need to lower the caping. Ensure it will not stop the print head. Once you lower it in the safety distance and move out a little bit, and then what you need to do, you could see here, after one day jobbing of printing, there are so many ink stayed here. You see? You see? there are lots of this ink stain there. So what you need to do is using a fabric and gently wipe this part and clean it every day after your job is finished. So like here, you just clean it. Yeah, once it's done, get the cartridge back. Once it's under the proper position, and then close the capping to the print head by turning this button, and that's close this print head with the capping properly. Okay. Now in the proper position. Okay. So this is what you need to do by daily. And also, except this, and before you're working, every morning you start working, and you need to check here. If the main bottle of the ink is enough or not. Once it is not enough, like the yellow color, now it's almost empty. And you have to be sure this will be fulfilled. And check it, the ink bottle, every color, CMYK, every color will be fulfilled with the ink, and then you can just start your printing job. And also, this rail part, this mechanical rail part needs to be lubricating every 1 month or 3 weeks or 5 weeks. It depends on you more or less. But what you need to do is to lubricating, let's say every month by using this. So get this one to scratch on it. And also here, this roller part at the center motor drive. So this part also needs to be lubricating, let's say every month. And after that, you just wipe off the surface and ensure the surface will be clean. And also here, the belt at this part, also lubricating it, and also the belt part at here, you see. So it is turning every day, and this part also needs to be lubricated. So with the good maintenance and the proper maintenance way in your daily using, and then it can get the good efficiency of your printer. And also you can get the good printing quality, like what we get here, what we see here. Each line of the color is precise, and also with the sharp outlines, with no blurry, right? And also the color, you see the pink color, the red color, and the yellow, and grading gradually to the green part, and then to the blue part. So each color, the tone is in proper way, and the color is bright. So hope that in your daily using, you can just know how important of this maintenance is. and do it properly, and also get the efficiency for your production. If you have any question for the maintenance, you can just leave the questions there in the comment area. Also, you can just write the email to us. And also, you can try to visit our website, www.coloridotech.com, and leave the questions there. We will consult you as soon as possible. And if you can just let us know the questions during the live broadcast, we can also reply you immediately. And also, you can try our mailbox. You have our mailbox, right? And also, you can just follow us and subscribe us with the YouTube channel. And also, watch our live in every week of Tuesday and Thursday, 4:30 p.m. West America time. And Chinese time will be Wednesday and Friday at 8:30 to 9 a.m. every week. We will be here and we will support you and hope that what you are using now for our printer will be no problem and can use it smoothly. And also, we hope that with the proper maintenance, that you can last your machines with the longer longevity without any break, without any problem. And also, we serve you the after-sale service with almost 24 hours, no doubt. Just any question, any problem, let us know. Our team will be back for you, and we will support you with any issues. Or if you have any printing problems with the printing color, with the printing quality, or any issues, let us know, and we might get out the printing solution for you. So, have you have any questions? Let me know. I saw that. Hi, Craig. Hi, Craig. Okay, so the service actually it is for the long life. So during the printing, you still keep using it all the years you're using, and we will supply you the service all the time. No worries at all. And for the warranty, we give you 1 year, except the ink system and the print head, because that is out of our control. You know that. So everything we could do, and we will do for you. No problems. Any questions? You're welcome. Glad that we could help. And for the print head, actually, we are using the Epson print head. It is no warranty, actually. So frankly speaking, from the first one you get it, it should be fine, just with the bad luck. But I don't believe that you will have the bad luck all the time, and you will be in good luck for sure, believe me. And for the print head, the longevity, actually, it is around 10 months to 1 year, but it depends. If you're using the print head in the good maintenance, it will just giving you the long service for the print head. And some of our current customers, they are using the print head even for 4 years. They're still using it. And even the nozzles spraying is a little bit weak, but they are just using it because they can still serve them with the quality that they requested. So it depends, different situation. Cheers, thank you. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year again. So may you and your family will have a prosperous new life in the coming 2025. And see you next time. And don't forget our time. The live time is every Wednesday and Friday. Chinese time, 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. and West America time of every Tuesday and Thursday at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. See you next time. Bye.